friends! Are you ready to swim, sing, and learn with Baby Shark and ABC friends? Let's splash into fun!
Baby Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, Baby Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, Baby Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, Baby Shark. Swim, swim, Mommy Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, Mommy Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, Mommy Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Spin around, little fish, Daddy Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, Daddy Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, Daddy Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Big splash. Grandma Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, Grandma Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, Grandpa Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Grandpa Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, Grandpa Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo, Grandpa Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Tap your fins. Let's swim fast, now slow. Now jump like a dolphin. Yay! A is for apple, A apple. B is for ball, bounce, bounce, bounce. C is for car, vroom, vroom. D is for dog, woof, woof, woof. E is for elephant, big trunk splash. Let's clap each letter. I, B, C, D, E. F is for frog, ribbit, ribbit. G is for giraffe, tall, tall, tall. H is for helicopter, whir, whir. I is for igloo, brr, it's cold. J is for jelly, wiggle, jiggle, ho! K is for kite, fly, fly, fly. L is for lion, roar softly. M is for monkey, ooh, ooh, ah. N is for nest, soft and warm. O is for octopus, 8 wiggly arms. A, B, C, dance break. Let's stomp for A. Let's wiggle for B. Let's reach up high for C. P is for panda, Q is for queen, R is for rainbow, sparkle, sparkle. S is for snake, hiss, hiss. T is for tiger, tiptoe, roar. U is for umbrella, V is for violin, strum, strum. W is for whale, whoosh. X is for sorry-righone, ding, ding. Y is for yard, Z is for zebra, stripey, zoom.
A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Car. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Frog. G. Giraffe. H. Helicopter. I. Igloo. J. Jelly. K. Kite. L. Lion. M. Monkey. N. Nest. O. Octopus. P. Panda. Q. Queen. R. Rainbow. S. Snake. T. Tiger. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Whale. X. Xylophone. Y. Yacht. Z. Zebra.
Red's color. Red color, red are you? Here I am. How do you do? What do you do? I paint with love, bright and true. Blue color, I splash the sky, calm and cool. Yellow color, I shine like sun. Green color, I go on trees. Pink color, I bloom in flowers. Soft and sweet. Color dance break, jump for red, spin for blue, wave for yellow, wiggle for green, blow a kiss for pink. Wow, you made a rainbow dance. Baby shark, doo-doo, a apple. Blue color, where are you? Mommy shark, doo-doo, see car. Yellow color, shining bright. You learned so much today. Sharks, ABCs, colors. Wow! Let's take a deep breath together. Ready? Breathe in and out. Great job! You're amazing! Thanks for learning with us today. See you next time for more fun. Bye, friends. Let's sing again in our next adventure.